Unlock the secrets of affiliate marketing success. Embarking on an affiliate marketing journey? Be aware, pitfalls abound. Let's illuminate the common mistakes to avoid for a smoother journey. First, neglecting to research the product. Understand its value before promoting. Remember, credibility is the cornerstone of successful marketing efforts. Second, failing to know your audience. Marketing without strategy is like shooting in the dark. Understand their needs, preferences, and pain points for better targeting. Next, inundating your audience with too many products. This can confuse and intimidate them. Focus on a select few that truly resonate with your audience. Another mistake is disregarding the power of SEO. Incorporate relevant keywords and optimize your content to reach a wider audience organically. Lastly, neglecting to track performance. Metrics offer insight into what's working and what's not. Adjust your strategies accordingly to maximize success. Avoid these common mistakes and pave your way to affiliate marketing success. Remember, the key is to stay informed, stay strategic, and stay persistent.